In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color of cells in Excel. This is a simple formatting tool, but it can make a big difference when you're organizing data, highlighting important information, or making a spreadsheet easier to read. Changing a cell's background color is useful for drawing attention to totals, separating sections, or visually grouping related entries. To get started, open your Excel workbook and go to the sheet where you want to update the cell colors. Once your workbook is open, click on the cell you want to format. If you want to change more than one cell at the same time, you can click and drag to select a range of cells. This is helpful if you want multiple cells to have the same background color and keep your formatting consistent. Next, go to the Home tab at the top of the Excel window. This is where you'll find most of the common formatting tools used for fonts, alignment, borders, and colors. In the Home tab, look for the font group. Inside that section, find the Fill Color button, which is represented by a small paint bucket icon. Click the drop-down arrow next to it to open the color menu. This menu gives you a few different ways to choose the background color you want. You can select from theme colors if you want colors that match the overall design and style of your workbook. This is a great option when you want your spreadsheet to look polished and consistent. You can also choose from standard colors if you just need a basic, commonly used color like yellow, blue, red, or green. If you want something more specific, click More Colors. This gives you additional options to select or create a custom color. That can be useful if you're trying to match a brand color, a presentation style, or a particular visual preference. As soon as you click the color you want, the selected cell or cells will immediately update and display the new background color. There's no extra save or apply step needed for this change to appear, so you can quickly test different colors until you find the one that works best. And that's it. That's how you change the background color of cells in Excel. It's a quick formatting feature, but it can really improve the readability and appearance of your spreadsheet.